Now, quickly define moats in terms of a business that keeps competition away.
Well, if you talk to Michael Porter, he would give you 5 books on what is meant by strategy and competitive advantage and durable competitive advantage. And if you talk to Warren and Charlie, they would just say it's a moat, and they'd break it down to one word. But basically, it's the ability of a business to have some type of an enduring competitive advantage that allows it to earn a better than average rate of return over an extended period of time. So some businesses have narrow moats, some have broad moats, some have moats that are deep but get filled up pretty quickly. So what you want is a business that has a deep moat with lots of piranha in it, and that's getting deeper by the day. That's a great business.